You hear about AI everywhere, right? AI is taking over, or using AI is cheating. Well, today I'm not showing you guys AI tools to replace artists. I'm showing you 5 tools that can actually help creators like you and me to assist your creativity. Also, if you like what we're doing here, and if you want to support the channel, check out our Patreon down below. First up is a tool I love using in After Effects, AI-generated depth maps. And you've got 2 great options here. First, there is a paid plugin called Depth Scanner from Scripts. And it's really solid. It's $100, but it works directly inside After Effects, so the workflow is super smooth. But there's a cheaper option too. It's called Runway. It's a website that lets you upload a video and splits out a depth map using AI. Now, normally, if you wanted a proper depth map, you need a fancy 3D render software or some special camera gear. But this tool can generate a usable one from basically any footage, and that opens up tons of creative possibilities. You can add subtle camera lens blur and much more, all without leaving After Effects. The second AI tool is a pretty obvious one, the Adobe AI tools. First, we had the generative fill from Photoshop, which everybody knows and uses. But now they have some new cool tools as well. Like, for example, you have the generative extend in Premiere Pro that lets you make your clips longer in just a few clicks. It will definitely help you if you just need a few extra seconds of footage. And then you have the Adobe AI tool I use the most, Turntable in Illustrator. This tool is magic. It lets you rotate your vectors to any angle. This is so handy for character animators, making their job easier and not stealing it. Now, before we continue, I want to show you my favorite After Effects and Premiere Pro plugin, Storyblocks. All you gotta do is type in a keyword and boom. Look at these beautiful cinematic shots, all made by real artists. They're not AI generated like most stock libraries nowadays. Unlimited downloads of diverse and high quality media for one predictable subscription cost. Thank you, Storyblocks, so much for sponsoring this video. Storyblocks has everything you need in one place. 4K and HD video, templates, music and sound effects. It's like an unlimited source of content that gives you freedom to test, experiment, and create more effective videos. You can choose a monthly or annual plan, no extra costs or hidden fees. Now, this is important to know. The stock library is constantly being refreshed with brand new content, and it feels authentic because it's created by real artists, like I said, not by an AI. Anything you download is 100% royalty-free, pre-licensed, and ready to use. No need to worry about legal rights or copyright claims, anything like that. To get started with unlimited stock media downloads at one set price, head over to storyblocks.com/AfterEffectsBasics, or just click the link down below. Alright, tool number 3, the most famous AI tool on the planet, ChatGPT. But we're not using it to steal anime styles or to create action figures in packages. No, I use it for color grading. Here's how. You can feed an image of your shot and then describe the look you're going for, like teal and orange blockbuster vibe with faded blacks. And ChatGPT will tell you exactly how to dial in those settings in Lumetri color. It's especially handy when you're matching footage from 2 different cameras. Just upload stills and let it figure out the best way to balance the shots. Is it perfect? No. But it gets you 60% of the way there. I just made up that number, by the way. I love this way of using AI. It doesn't do the creative stuff for me, but it guides me towards the look I'm looking for. Okay, tool number 4 is one of my all-time favorites. This one is for the people who accidentally record your videos with the wrong settings. Happens to the best of us. It's called Topaz Video AI, and it's a standalone app that can upscale footage, clean it, stabilize it, slow it down, even convert it to HDR. You can take shaky 1080p clips, stabilize it, turn it into smooth 4K, and output it as ProRes, QuickTime, or even an image sequence. There's a model for every job. Noise removal, motion blur, interpolation, you name it. And if you're a photographer, they've got Topaz Photo AI, which is basically the same thing but for stills. The next one is called Autodesk Flow Studio. This thing can animate, light, and composite a 3D character into real-world footage automatically. You upload your clip, it tracks your actor, creates a clean plate, generates motion capture data, applies it to a 3D model, lights the scene to match, and composites the result back into your footage. You can use their character models or upload your own, and it even detects cuts across your entire edit. So it's not just for one-shot VFX, it's nuts. Once the AI is done, you can export everything into After Effects and do your final polish there. Absolute powerhouse tool. If you want to keep growing and expanding your After Effects skills, check out the video right here on my left. Thank you guys so much for watching.